Hi, I'm Eric Roberts. I'm a master piano technician and a certified piano technician, and I am going to teach you in my new course how to tune pianos. But first of all, I want you to understand two things. I've tuned pianos, a lot of pianos, and for a lot of people. I've tuned for Harry Connick Jr., Tony Bennett, John Legend, Christian Chenoweth. I've got a list here because I've forgotten how many people I've tuned for. And right now I'm sitting in a world-class recording studio in Nashville, Tennessee, where I work here every 2 weeks. I come and tune these pianos. These are massive, like the Ferraris of pianos right here. So I was on the phone with one of my students the other day. She had just called and found out about the Apex Piano Network, and she said, hey, I've tried to tune pianos. I just don't feel like I've got it. I took an online correspondence course, and then she went to a PTG meeting where the guys proceeded to tell her she was not smart enough to do the math, and she was not strong enough to tune pianos because her shoulders just couldn't handle it. Guys, this is insane. Most of these people don't want you to learn piano tuning in the trade because they want to be the only guys that can do it. They want to be able to charge whatever they want to and say whatever they want to. They don't really want you in there. You understand that? I'm here to help you learn to tune pianos. My mentors brought me under their wing when I was a young piano tuner, and they showed me exactly what to do, exactly how to tune. In this course, I'm going to show you how to use the Sanderson AccuTuner or TuneLab. The Sanderson AccuTuner is the most advanced piano tuning computer on the market today, and it's used by professionals all over the world. I'm going to show you how to use it, show you how to tune unisons, and I'm going to show you how to knock this piano into tune. It's going to be amazing. Join me today. If you have any questions, let me know. But listen, don't let people tell you you can't do it. Don't think that you can't do it. The only reason that you might not be able to do it is you're following the wrong path to doing it. When you get on the right path, the path that I'm going to show you in my new course, you will be able to tune a piano. You will be able to become confident over time, and you'll do it faster, quicker, more efficiently. You'll be able to kickstart your business. Join me in my new course. Click below for the links. Let me know if you have any questions.